In this video, I'm going to take you through products that I received in this month's Fab Bag. In case you're interested to know more, then keep on watching. Hey guys, this is Karen and welcome to Tried and Tested. I would really appreciate if you support the channel by hitting on that subscribe button below and also by activating the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So in my last Fab Bag video, I did mention that I was on the fence if I would want to feature Fab Bag in my future subscription videos, and I did try for other subscription boxes, but there was either something wrong with the payment or I felt that the price was a little above my budget. So I decided to stick to Fab Bag because I thought that was my safest bet. So another thing that I want to tell you is that this is not an unboxing video. I have already seen the products that I received and some of the products I have used as well, so that I could give you my opinion on how the products work for me. So this is the bag that I received for this month. I found it quite fancy and a little festive. Inside the bag I got these 3 cards. One card mentions the list of products. One is a coupon code if I want to renew my subscription, and this card is related to some contest. So the first item that I got in here is this Plush Crush Creme Crayon, and the shade that I got is Grape Goddess, and this is what I'm currently using on my lips. It's a beautiful color, but this shade is way beyond my comfort zone. If you ever meet me in person, you would never see me wear this color. And don't get me wrong, it's not that I have a problem with the color, it's just that I feel that I don't carry it off as beautifully as some of these other girls do. Once again, the color is beautiful, and even when you apply it on your lips, it glides really smoothly. It is super pigmented and it does mattify on your lip. One thing that I noticed is that my lips felt a little dry after taking it off, and I have to constantly hydrate or moisturize the lips. So that could be one drawback. But I'm pretty sure that a lot of you are going to consider this lip crayon as your star product. So the next product that I got in here is by this brand called Saint Divin, and it's this tea tree body wash with eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil. This is around 40 ml and it could last you for around 2 to 3 days depending on the quantity you use. Now you do get that peppermint fragrance, and I was reading a review which mentions that this smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, and I have to agree, this does smell a little bit like that. When you lather it, the fragrance is quite strong, but after a point of time the scent kind of mellows down and it's not a fragrance that lingers onto your skin. But this is so much better than what I received in last month's bag. Now although this isn't my favorite shower gel, I still am quite happy to have received it in the bag. So the next product is something that I'm going to add to my Aroma Magic collection, and it's this Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. So this is SPF 30 and you get around 20 ml of the product. So I've got 2 concerns with this product that I received, and in case anyone watching this video has used the Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion, please let me know if this is how you received your product as well. So when I opened this came without a seal, and I assumed that it was going to be sealed. And secondly, the lotion has some slight shimmer particles in it. I don't know if that is how the product is or there is something wrong with what I received. Another thing that I'm not very happy with is that although the consistency is not too thick, post application I found it a little greasy and oily, and right now with this weather I hate applying anything that's going to increase the oil secretion on my face. So to be honest, I am quite disappointed with the sunscreen. I also received this nail polish by Casca Nail Lacquer, and this is what it looks like on my nails. Now again, this is my personal choice, but I don't like nail paints that have this glitter and shimmer in them. One good thing that I noticed after application is that it dries really fast on the nails. It is also not tested on animals and it is free from a lot of these harsh chemicals, which is great. It's just that this is not something that I would wear on my fingernails. I may consider wearing this on my toenails though. So I saved the best for last, and the last item that I received is this pure aloe vera gel by All Natural Co. And you get 50 grams of the product. This currently is my favorite go-to skincare product. I think it's absolutely perfect for this weather and it works beautifully on my skin. It's non-greasy, non-oily, absorbs into the skin really well, and most importantly it hydrates as well as nourishes the skin. So that was all the products that I received in this month's Fab Bag. For those of you watching this video and have got your June Fab Bag, I would love to know what you received, whether you love the products or you did not. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video.